Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels video. So first of all, let's go ahead to the Reels right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into sharing button right here at the below right corner. If I'm here, you're going to be able to see that your contacts on Instagram. Just go ahead and copy the link right here at the below right corner, and as you can see it says copied. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to your browser. In your browser, I'm going to just go ahead into opening up the new tab, and I'm going to just go ahead to my favorite browser, whether it was Microsoft Bing, Apple, or Google, really, for that matter. Just go ahead and type Instagram, okay, Instagram download. So I'm gonna just, after I type it, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here, snap inst, and into this website, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just paste the link that I just copied, wait out for a few moments right here, and as you can see, the video has been appearing to me right now. So I'm gonna just hit download right here, and after you hit download, you're gonna just go ahead into downloading this video. And as you can see right here, if we click the upload kind of a thing, the blue button right here, the blue circle, you're gonna just see it appearing just like this. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.